So if you're on this video right now, it's clear that your 2024 is going to make sense financially, because in this video I'm going to reveal my secrets to you, and I'll also teach you how to make money online in 2024. But let me show you something. So I said I want to show you something, and except you're watching me for the first time, like you're meeting me on the channel for the first time, you already know I've not been posting content for some time now. But between September and December, when I'm recording this video, I've made over ₦1,000,000 on with my smartphone, and that's what I want to show you. So I'm not just going to show you the businesses, how I got that money, but I'll also show you the evidences, the proof, like, okay, this is how much this money gave me and how I actually received this money, so that at the end of the day I am going to actually teach you guys what I do and how to actually make money online with your phone, and the rest of the contents of this video. So let's quickly check something on my phone. Firstly, I will open my OP account here, and let's go to transactions, and you can see that's December, 483,000 over that. Let's go to November. I'll show you transactions. Okay, I received in November over 500 and something thousand from selling digital products, and if you go to October, this is over 200 and something thousand naira. Yeah, that's over a million already. So for my balance, as I was recording this, is 200 and something thousand. Also in dollars, I received $48 here. Earning in dollars is also good. That's why I'll be recommending KDP in my next videos. This is the credit transaction notification. Also for paper arbitrage, I had $404 here. Okay, one time I received $500 and so on and so forth. Okay, this is a credit from PayPal to my bank account, $130. I even had to apply for increase. So I actually had 2 bank accounts, but right now I opened 3 new accounts, and all of them are with microfinance banks. You know, after the liquid cash scarcity we experienced earlier in 2023, so I had to open this account. So if I head over to my other account, PamPay, this is my account, and here within December I've actually received over 200 and something thousand right there. So why am I showing you this? In this video there are 3 things I want to show to you. Number 1 is that I want to show you how I make money online, how I got all of this. Then I'll give you my advice, and then what I recommend. That's number 1. Secondly, I'm going to tell you what we do on this channel, SideIncome TV, and my other channel. Then I'll give my sincere apologies to my fans. This has been a year plus. I've not recorded, I've not posted, and that. So let me even start with this. So for everyone who is a subscriber and my fan here on SideIncome TV, this is a public apology to you guys for staying this long. I've not been posting content on this channel. A few of you who are close to me already know that I had a bit of challenges over the past 1 year, and so I had a lot of downtimes. Yeah, I've communicated with some of you already. So this is SideIncome TV. Here on this channel we upload new videos weekly. Yeah, I actually show you new business, online business models, new strategies on how to actually make money with your smartphone. Then I actually show you the things that I do, exactly what I do. Anything I do that works for me, I come over here, I record the video, and I show you guys so you can also implement and get the result, the exact result I am also getting, if possible. All right, so now there's a second channel that's Simeon A, that's my personal brand. So we are just starting there right now, and there I'm going to be teaching you how to actually run the business. This is not basically online space alone. This is going to be how to do business, and I'll be teaching personal financing as well. And the best thing and the sweetest thing here that's going to happen on Simeon A is that every month I'm going to be showing you guys 1 or 2 business models twice a month. I will do my own research, and I will show you a business model. I'm talking about real people that want to do businesses, maybe you want to go into agriculture, fishing, poultry, all kinds of business that you can start. All right, so I'll do my own research, and then I will meet some people that are already into that business. I will do all the findings and tell you what it requires or what is needed to scale through that business, to just start the business and make a lot of profits for yourself. Senior A is my personal branding, where I'll be teaching you guys personal financing, mental development, motivation, and all of that. So basically, there are 3 businesses I've been doing online with my smartphone, and also I do other apps. But for now, I made order with 3 business models. Number 1, I sell digital products. Now, when we talk about digital products, it could be anything, a training course, it could be an ebook, it could be a webinar, it could be a training program, and all of that, audio programs and all that. So I create these digital products. I just go there, research for a problem that maybe a category of people are facing, and then I create a product that answers to that. I sell digital product. It could be apps. All right, I have a catalog of apps, premium applications. I think I want to give that as a gift to my subscribers. Yeah, so I will tell you all that at the end of this video, how you can get that. All right, so we sell premium apps, Secondly, I do PayPal. I use 2 models. We do PayPal arbitrage, and then the PayPal service, where we help people to create PayPal accounts. So the third thing I actually use here is Amazon KDP. So this is like my favorite for now, and I'm actually recommending Amazon KDP because on Amazon KDP you make money in dollars, and we all know that in Nigeria currently dollar is very, very high. All right, the last time I exchanged dollar, which I'll show you on the platform, I actually attended at 1,200. All right, so for every $100 you have, you're having over 120k. All right, and you can make $100 to $200, $500 on Amazon KDP with ease. All you need to do is research, get the type of book to write on, because we have a method, writing without writing, and we've been doing that. So you can publish just 20 to 30 books, and you make money for 6 months, 8 months, and all that. You make a lot of money, up to $5,000. So I'm actually recommending Amazon KDP. And here's the thing, my advice is that a lot of you have been accustomed to doing Ponzi schemes. You give 5k and receive 10k in 2 to 24 hours and all of that. I want to let you know that that's not a business model. All those kind of things, they are schemes, and they don't have the capacity to make you the money you desire. If you want to do a business online with your smartphone, I told you myself, I said digital products, I do Amazon, I do PayPal arbitrage, there's affiliate marketing, but I'm going to be doing a detailed video. It's going to be in like 3 parts or so, part 1, part 2, part 3, where I will show you. So for those that want to make money in 2024 online with your smartphone, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be showing you all of this. So for the gift, I have a special gift for my subscribers, and for those that were working before now, I have some of your contacts. The ones I don't have, you can contact me. I'm going to leave my contact in the description box below, and the ones that will have business, we're going to take up from there. In summary, I want to sincerely apologize to my fans, to the general public, to everyone who has been subscribed here, and everyone who's going to watch this video, for especially those people that we had transactions and businesses going on before I left the space. Then I'm going to upload the detailed video training on how the business models, online business model that I use, and the legitimate business model you can use to make money online with your phone throughout 2024. So this is how you're going to set your 2024. The first video will be, the link will be in the description box below. So if you're new here and watching this video, just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. So until next time, peace.